Are you planning for Canadian PR but feeling stuck due to inconsistent draws and rising cutoffs? Worry not. If there's one sure way to boost your chances of obtaining Canadian permanent residency, it's learning French. Thanks to the rise of AI tools, learning a foreign language is now faster and easier than ever. All you need is the right teacher and an affordable course tailored for efficient TEF and TCF Canada exam preparation. Introducing our TEF TCF Canada Prep online tutorials program. A completely self-driven program allows you to learn at your own pace with engaging video lessons that cover everything from foundational grammar to advanced conversational skills. You'll also get exclusive access to our ebooks, study resources, quizzes, assignments, and progress assessments. What makes this program truly exciting? It doesn't just teach you French, it gamifies the entire journey. Earn points for every lesson you watch, quiz you complete, and task you submit. These points reflect your tentative CLB level, motivating you to keep learning and tracking your progress. The more points you earn, the more you level up. Stay fired up by checking your progress with other learners on the leaderboard. Healthy competition can be a great way to push yourself further. We know self-paced learners need support. That's why we include live doubt-solving sessions with our principal instructor. And once you hit an intermediate level, you'll also join live practice sessions with our trainers. Measure your real progress through level-based exams that test your mastery, not just completion. Step by step, you build the confidence needed for the real exam. And if that's not enough, you also benefit from targeted study resources and one complete exam simulation that will boost your confidence and readiness. Got questions? We're here for you. Reach out via our WhatsApp group or dedicated email for quick, helpful responses. Preparing for TEF or TCF exams can be daunting, but BBarters makes it fun and efficient. Our structured approach, combined with continuous feedback, ensures you stay on the right path. Join today and take the first step towards mastering French for your immigration journey.